So in this PicsArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to crop an image here on PicsArt. So once you have PicsArt opened up on your device, you're going to import an image. So for me, I just went ahead and I used a stock photo here in PicsArt. Now to crop a photo, it's super simple. Go to the bottom left and press on where it says Tools. So for me, in between where it says Gold and Effects, just simply press on Tools. Then if you want to crop it in the top left here, it says crop, or you can use free crop as well. But we're just going to go ahead and simply just press on crop. And then once you're in this screen, what you can either do is drag the option here, and you can sort of make it custom crop, whatever the case may be. Or what you can do as well is just use any of these aspect ratios. You can just go ahead and use a square, a 3:4, a 3:2, 16:9. You can use a square for Instagram, whatever the case is. Or what you can just do is just press on crop, and you can sort of play around with it that way. So nice and simple. Once that is done, simply just press on apply. And there you go. That is how you guys can crop an image here on PicsArt. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.